Okay, I'm going to talk about subject-verb agreement. So, if you guys are wondering what is subject-verb agreement, this just means that the subject and the verb has to get along. Like, for example, like they are bestie, like they are buddies. They have to agree with each other. And also, I know you guys wonder, like, what does that mean? So, take a look at our slide. Okay, so that means if the subject is singular, and the verb has to be singular too. And if the subject is plural, then the verb has to be plural too, okay? Okay, next, we're going to focus on nouns as subject first. And we're going to learn how the nouns match the verbs. First, let's learn about singular noun and verb agreement. We first need to remember that singular means there is just one. It's single and it's alone. So here's a couple of singular nouns: car, tree, ball, and etc. Okay, here's something really important to remember about singular verb. A singular verb always has an s at the end. For example, eats, drinks. Okay? Remember that the singular means just one thing. Okay. Read this sentence. A flower grows. A flower is a singular noun, right? There's just one flower. And grows is a singular verb. We have singular noun and the singular verb. So our subject and the verb agree with each other. Okay, shall we now look at the plural noun and the plural verb agreements? We first need to remember that plural means there is more than one. It is not alone. Okay? So here's a couple of plural nouns: birds, teeth, and apples. Right? Okay, one thing you need to remember about plural verbs is that unlike singular verbs, we will not add s at the end. Okay? So, think of it this way: when a sentence is in the plural form, it means there's more than one. It's not alone. Look at this next sentence. Flowers is a plural noun, so we need a plural verb. Bloom is a plural verb, right? As you guys can see, we did not add an s at the end, right? So we have a plural noun in the plural verb. So our subject and the verb agree with each other.